When you click on the Contacts tab, you'll land in what's called the List view. By default, you'll always be viewing all contacts currently in your database. New contacts will be added here as they interact with your organization by joining, filling out various forms, making donations, etc. You don't have to go to different places to work with members versus non-members versus donors versus event attendees. No matter what each person's relationship is to your organization, they will be a contact in your database. If you want to manually add a contact, just click the first icon that looks like a plus sign. To add the contact, you just need their name and email address. There are a few other fields on the Add Contact screen, but you can ignore them, like you don't really need to add a personal logo or change the contact type. Also, if there's information that you want to add that is not on the Add Contact screen, that's okay. You can add those additional details once the contact is in your database. All of the other icons directly above the list of contacts are for quickly doing different actions. For example, you can select a bunch of people and then send a quick text message or email. Or you can give them all a specific tag. Just think of these icons here as shortcuts that let you do things to multiple people at once. If we go just one step above the icons, you'll see any smart lists that you've created yourself or that were created by other people in your organization and shared with you. I'll have another video where we will go deeper into smart lists, so I won't talk about those details here. For now, just know that these are your saved lists and they update dynamically all the time. Once you have these created, you can click on a list at any time and it will show you exactly who meets the filter criteria at this moment. You may want to have smart lists for your current members, members who are at risk of lapsing, your board members, or people who are tagged as attending an upcoming event. These lists are flexible and can be used for whatever you'd like. On the top line here, you'll see some additional pages that you can navigate to with just a quick click. Bulk Actions shows you anything that has happened in your system by someone clicking on these contact icons. You'll also see email blasts and imports recorded here. Restore shows you anyone who has been recently deleted from your database so that if you've made an error, you can easily bring them back. Tasks will show you any tasks that currently exist connected to contacts in your database. Companies are typically captured automatically as people get added into your system. If multiple people have a company in their contact record that is spelled exactly the same way, the system will automatically tie them together. Finally, Manage Smart Lists shows you any lists that you've created or have been shared with you. One more small thing on this row. The small gear icon in the top corner gives you direct access to your custom fields and folders. These let you tailor JourneyCARE to your association's specific needs, like tracking membership types, chapters, or volunteer roles. Moving on to the right side of the screen, you'll see three areas: columns, search, and filters. Search lets you quickly find a contact by name, phone number, or email. Columns allows you to customize what data shows up in your list view, like phone numbers, last activity, membership type, tags, or any custom field you've added. And filters let you set the parameters for who is showing in the list. Clicking on the More Filters button will pop out a panel that shows lots of different ways that you can segment your list. Filters include all of the fields in your database, as well as various system things, such as people who have gone through specific workflows or who were added to your database in certain ways. We'll go into filters deeper in a separate video. For now, just know that you can stack these filters on top of each other to segment your database in almost any way you want. Then when you save the filtered list, it becomes one of the smart lists we just talked about. That means you can always easily reference that list of people again. One question that comes up a lot is whether you can save what columns show in the list view. On the All Contacts tab, you cannot. Even if you change the columns, as soon as you leave that view, it's going to revert back to the standard columns. However, on any of your saved lists, if you change the columns, all you have to do is resave the list and your columns will be persistent. By default, the newest contacts show up first, but if you prefer to sort differently, just click on the little arrow on the column header and it will sort by that header. Click a second time to reverse the order. Again, be sure to resave the list if you want to keep the sorting that way. I hope this quick walkthrough has helped you feel comfortable navigating your contacts list view in JourneyCARE. Let the help desk team know if you have any additional questions on the list view. I'll see you in the next video.